Did you know that the foods you eat can directly impact your heart health? Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all our hearts, literally, keeping those arteries healthy and strong. You might have heard about clean arteries or seen articles about foods that unclog them. While the idea sounds appealing, it's important to set some realistic expectations. But fear not. There are fantastic foods loaded with nutrients that can significantly support your heart health and potentially lower your risk of heart attacks. The power of prevention. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and clogged arteries are a major risk factor. These arteries are the highways that deliver oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. When they get clogged with plaque, it reduces blood flow and puts a strain on your heart. While there's no magic bullet for instant clean arteries, adopting a healthy diet rich in certain foods can make a world of difference. The Magnificent 7 Heart-Healthy Superstars. Berry Bonanza. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and may help keep your arteries clear. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, the more colorful, the better. Berries are not just delicious, they are also incredibly good for your heart. The vibrant colors of berries come from antioxidants called anthocyanins. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which are harmful to your arteries and overall heart health. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in berries reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping your arteries healthy and clear. Blueberries are known for their high antioxidant levels, helping to lower blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Strawberries can lower bad cholesterol levels, which helps prevent artery clogging. Raspberries are also packed with fiber, which supports healthy cholesterol levels and digestion. Adding a variety of berries to your diet is easy and tasty. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them as a snack. The more colorful your berry choices, the more antioxidants you're getting. So, next time you're looking for a sweet treat, reach for some berries. Your heart will thank you for it. Fatty Fish Feast. Let's dive into the world of fatty fish, a true feast for your heart. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are champions when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids. But why are these omega-3s so important for your heart? Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that play a crucial role in keeping your heart in top shape. They help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of blood clots. All these benefits contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and lower the risk of heart attacks. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3s. It's not only delicious, but also versatile. You can grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it raw in sushi. Mackerel and tuna are also excellent choices, packed with these heart-healthy fats. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish at least 2 to 3 times per week. This regular intake can significantly improve your heart health. Whether you prefer a savory salmon fillet or a tangy tuna salad, incorporating these fish into your diet is a tasty way to protect your heart. So, next time you plan your meals, think about adding some fatty fish to the menu. Your heart will thank you for this delicious and nutritious choice. Nutty by nature. Next up, let's talk about nuts. Specifically, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. These tasty snacks are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are fantastic for your heart. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are excellent sources of healthy fats. These healthy fats help to lower bad cholesterol levels, which is great news for your arteries. Lowering bad cholesterol reduces the risk of plaque buildup in your arteries, keeping them clear and healthy. But that's not all. These nuts are also rich in fiber. Fiber is crucial for heart health because it helps to reduce cholesterol levels and improves digestion. Additionally, nuts are packed with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Research has shown that regularly eating nuts can lead to better heart health. For instance, studies have found that people who eat nuts regularly have lower levels of bad cholesterol and healthier arteries. This means a lower risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Incorporating nuts into your diet is easy. Just enjoy a handful of almonds, walnuts, or pistachios most days. You can snack on them as they are, add them to your salads, or mix them into your yogurt. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of nuts. Your heart will be grateful. Olive oil. This Mediterranean staple is not just a kitchen essential, it's a heart health hero. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats that your body needs. So, what makes monounsaturated fats so special? They help lower bad cholesterol, known as LDL, while promoting good cholesterol, called HDL. This balance is crucial for keeping your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Using olive oil is incredibly versatile. Drizzle it on your salads for a flavorful and healthy dressing. Use it for cooking to add a rich taste to your dishes without compromising on health. You can even dip your bread in olive oil with a bit of balsamic vinegar for a delicious and heart-friendly snack. Embracing the olive oil life means making a simple switch that can have a big impact on your heart health. The next time you reach for cooking oil, choose olive oil. Your heart will thank you. So, go ahead and make olive oil a regular part of your diet. It's a small change that can lead to big benefits for your heart. Leafy green goodness. Now let's talk about leafy green goodness. Kale, spinach, collard greens. These leafy wonders are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help keep your arteries squeaky clean. First up, kale. This superfood is packed with vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium from building up in your arteries. It also has plenty of antioxidants, which fight inflammation and keep your heart healthy. Next, spinach. This leafy green is a great source of nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Spinach is also rich in lutein, an antioxidant that keeps your arteries clear by preventing cholesterol from sticking to the walls. Collard greens are another fantastic choice. They are high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to it and removing it from your body. Fiber also keeps you feeling full, which can help you maintain a healthy weight, another important factor for heart health. Aim for a daily dose of leafy greens to give your heart the nutrients it needs. Add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or sauté them as a tasty side dish. By including these greens in your diet, you're taking a big step towards keeping your arteries clean and your heart strong. Remember, a little leafy green goodness every day can go a long way for your heart health. So, don't forget to make them a part of your meals. The bean benefit. Now let's talk about the bean benefit. Beans are truly a dietary fiber powerhouse. But what makes fiber so special for our heart health? Dietary fiber is crucial because it helps remove bad cholesterol from your system. This bad cholesterol, known as LDL, can build up in your arteries, leading to blockages and increasing the risk of heart attacks. Fiber works by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system and helping to carry it out of your body. This process helps keep your arteries clear and healthy. Beans, such as lentils, black beans, and chickpeas, are especially rich in fiber. For example, just 1 cup of black beans contains a whopping 15 grams of fiber. That's more than half of the daily recommended amount for adults. The best part? The options are endless when it comes to enjoying beans. You can add them to salads, soups, stews, or even make delicious bean-based dips like hummus. They are versatile, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your diet. By adding a variety of beans to your meals, you're not just enhancing the flavor but also giving your heart a significant boost. So, make sure to include these fiber-rich powerhouses in your diet and keep your arteries happy. Remember, a healthy heart starts with healthy eating. Enjoy those beans and feel the bean benefit. Awesome avocados. Let's talk about avocados, often hailed as nature's butter. These creamy fruits are more than just a tasty addition to your toast. Avocados are a powerhouse of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a triple threat for heart health. Firstly, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Lowering bad cholesterol is crucial for preventing clogged arteries and promoting better blood flow. Secondly, avocados are packed with fiber. Fiber is essential for heart health because it helps lower cholesterol levels and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. A healthy digestive system is important for overall wellness, including your heart. Thirdly, avocados are loaded with antioxidants, including vitamins C and E. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall heart function. Moreover, avocados contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is vital. In fact, avocados have more potassium than bananas, making them an excellent choice for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Adding avocados to your diet is easy and delicious. You can slice them onto salads, spread them on whole grain toast, or blend them into smoothies. However you enjoy them, avocados offer a simple and tasty way to support your heart health. So next time you're looking for a nutritious addition to your meal, reach for an avocado. Your heart will be glad you did. Remember, these foods are fantastic additions to a heart-healthy diet, but they're not miracle cures. Focus on a balanced approach that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Limit saturated and trans fats, added sugars, and sodium. These are the real artery villains. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, taking care of your heart is an investment in your future. By incorporating these heart-healthy superstars into your diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can empower your heart and live a longer, healthier life. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite heart-healthy recipes, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative health content.